In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your project folder in Shotcut. Now, the first thing you need to do is to open your Shotcut. And as you can see, by default, it will bring you to this interface. Now, currently my videos are being stored in this folder called the circuit. However, I'd like to change it so that all my recording videos, when I save them, they'll be saved to this folder called YouTube. Now, as you can see here, if we go back to our project, this is the project folder, and as you can see, the path is on desktop and the folder is called circuit. Now, to change this, all you need to do is to go ahead and click on it, and this will take you to the current folder where your videos are stored once you have finished editing and exported them. However, I would like to change them to this folder called YouTube, and to do so, all you need to do is to select it and then confirm it by hitting on select folder here. And immediately you can see the path has changed. It is still on desktop, however, the folder is no longer the circuit but YouTube. Now, from here, all our projects, once we have finished editing and saving them or exporting them, they'll automatically be saved on this folder called YouTube. So that's how you change your project folder in Shotcut. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.